When we're talking about boom and crash, we ain't talking about bombs and cars. Nah, nah, nah. ATG.
What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm back again with another video where I teach you guys how to trade boom and crash. I know I've been quiet for quite some time, but I'm back, guys, and I've been working on a lot of content and creating a lot of content for you for this channel. So make sure you are subscribed. You click the subscribe button, you turn the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I post a video. I'm going to add a lot of more content that I've been creating all this while, and I hope you guys are going to improve the trading journey and actually make money from trading. And if you enjoy this type of videos, kindly do me a favor and like the video and share it with your friends. There's going to be more content posted right on this channel. Okay, so before I start, as usual, we have a free Telegram channel that I'm going to be posting more content, so make sure you join that Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. You'll also be able to get updates from that channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram to get live updates on what's happening in my trading journey. Okay, there's been a forex trading track or music that has been released on this channel. You can just go check out the previous video and you get to listen to some vibes whilst you're trading. I also put the link up there so that you can just quickly check it out. Okay, so let's get right into today's business. On the previous videos on our analysis, I talked about we did an analysis on all boom and crash indices, and this is some of the results and some of how the trades then played out, right? So we just want to quickly do a do-over of what happened in the previous weeks so that we can make an analysis of what is going to happen in the upcoming weeks, right? So we did these anticipations. Some of them failed, some of them managed to succeed. This is boom 500 in the daily time frame. We can also check crash. We predicted that it's going to bounce from this point, go all the way up, break this all the way up, and then maybe come back down. We're going to look deeper into that a little bit later. We also talked about crash 1000. As you can see, all these predictions, some of them failed. Again, we talked about boom 1000, which was quite accurate. So today I'm going to get deeper into these indices and actually make an analysis for this coming week. These analyses are going to be provided each and every Sunday, so make sure if you want to trade boom and crash, make sure you check out this video each and every Sunday. You expect a video from me each and every Monday. Please expect volatility indices analysis and more strategies during the week. Okay, so let's get right into today's business. We're going to start off with boom 500, and currently we can see how it's performing. I'm just going to draw some key important price zones that I can see where price has been respected. So we have this zone right here. It seems to be a very important zone in our price. We have another one up here which is being respected also. We have an extension of this price zone. So what we can see is price moved from this lowest point, went all the way up to this resistance point, came back down, failed to break that resistance point, came back down again, almost touched this support zone that we get up down here, went back up to respect our second zone, and then now it's pushing back downwards. So from the looks of things, we now have a new trend that is being created, something like this, right? And price is failing to actually break. I'm going to delete these arrows. Price is actually failing to break our blue trend line up there, right? So my prediction over this coming week is we're going to try and push back down, break this previous low, right, maybe to this support zone, and maybe retrace back up this zone, and again go back down to break the previous low again, right? So this is how BOOM 500 is currently playing out. It's mostly a sell zone. As you can see that we are still following downward trend from the blue line that you see up there, right? You can also go to lower time frames like the 4-hour time frame for those that like trade daily, right? And you can see that there is a strong sell momentum with continuous bearish candlesticks, right? With continuous bearish candlesticks. And you can also use the this was the high, this was the higher low, another one right here, which means we're just in a downtrend, right? Okay, so let's move on to crash 500. We're in the weekly time frame right now, but I want us to start from the daily time frame. Maybe we'll get a clearer picture from there. Okay, this is the daily time frame for crash 500. As you can see, we've been following nicely this wedge, this falling wedge, and we had a breakout from the wedge. We had this breakout, price came to this point, came back down, failed to retest our trend line, and then started to push back up, right? So from this we can see that this is no longer a fake out. We're now actually expecting price to continue pushing up, right? You can also have this zone highlighted as our new support zone, right? But not to be too sure about the bounce back, we can still have our take profit levels around this previous high, just below the previous high. You can have our take profit level there, right? The anticipation is we are now creating a new uptrend, so we're expecting price, we were believing the price bounced here, it's going to go up and then maybe come back and bounce again as we start to go in an uptrend. So basically we are saying this falling wedge has come to an end and we are hoping to start going up, right? This is an anticipation. Obviously you can also go to a lower time frame, maybe see if you get clearer pictures of what's happening. So this is what I'm saying, we're going to bounce here, right? Probably approach any of these zones, this one or this one. You can still trail your positions. The anticipation is we are now following something like this channel now, which is an upward movement, but this is a smaller time frame because it's the one that highlights a little bit earlier where we are trying to go, right? So yeah, that's for crash 500. Let's move on to crash 1000. Crash 1000 is the daily time frame, and it seems like we broke our previous low, we broke our support zone and headed straight downwards, right? So in a situation like this where we can see that there is no more market structure, or market structure has been broken, we are certain that we'll just ride the sell that is being shown right here, right? Because we're just going to follow the momentum of the market. So the best trades to take for crash 1000 throughout this coming week would be the sell trades and just following this broken market structure that you guys see, right? Previously we had a nice trend and even extend it, try and reach all the points, something like this, right? So probably market is looking for is now setting the low of the month, or even the low of the year, I'm sure. and the best way would just be to follow the momentum, follow the downward trend within crash 1000. Okay, and then we are going to move on to boom 1000. And as usual, you guys want to get the chance to win free VIP access, make sure you comment what you think is going to happen to these indices down below, and I'll pick a winner the coming Sunday. So make sure you guys comment down below what you think, and I'm going to pick a winner this coming Sunday. And then for boom 1000, I'm sure if you've been watching previous videos, we talked about this sell trend coming, and currently we're now following this sort of trend that we have right here. So obviously the market is going to try and break this high and probably head for this point, or going to bounce once at this point and probably head back down, right? But the overall trend for boom 1000 is definitely a sell, as we talked about, recovering from all this hype that had happened around boom 1000 in the month of August, right? So that's what we're trying to recover. So basically, this is the analysis that we have for this week on boom 500, boom 1000, crash 500, and crash 1000. I hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned for more content that's coming on this channel. I'm going to try and add more and more videos so that you guys can actually learn and benefit and make money through trading. Until next time.